Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, this is the FOREX weekend review with the 28 majors minors and 6 exotics. So let's go over this week. Had 2 successful trades. The first one was British pound, US dollar. Nice overall spike here, and what it did was it went up to this liquidity zone here, and I decided to get out at that point. However, if I went ahead and left it to the end of the day, it was still profitable overall, $150 gain. So the system is working really well with the commitment of traders and the COD indices, and I just wanted to show that both trade was the British pound US dollar and the Euro US dollar both had a COD index to the upside, and it showed mix last week. However, you know, it was a $72 gain, but again, same thing. Went ahead and got out as soon as, from both of them, as soon as the British pound US dollar hit that high point up here, around the 200 area average here for the euro. Got off with a better trade in that sense. There were only 2 trades that allowed that. The other trade was the British pound New Zealand dollar, and I had an initial Z3 long, went up, popped up all the way up to here, decided to come back once I put my stop at break even and broke me out. It's something to notice in terms of these Z3 longs and shorts is that the next day an eventual market turn happened at that point. So I'm really liking the Z3 longs. If I went ahead and went long during this whole time that it's crowded short, would have been losing money all the way up until Friday. So doing this puts us at better probabilities, especially going past the Z3. I'm going to go ahead and continue to do that and just let price come to me at this point. We already know that it's crowded short and that it has a limit to the downside, not only because a lot of the folks are already short at this point. The Z3 also has that probabilities of less than 3% of continuing without retracement. So with those probabilities, I like them, and I'm going to continue with the Z3 trades too as well, especially even though everything is shaded green. We were red weak last week. It did work previous Friday. It hit the Z3 and then had another that bounced off the Z3 at this point too as well. So there's only 3 trades for the entire week with a profit on one standard lot. This one was a break even of $222. I like the fact that I was able to avoid all of the other trades that put my probabilities at risk. Now look at it next week. We have the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, US dollar, Canadian dollar, US dollar, Swiss franc, US dollar, Japanese yen, and South African rand, Japanese yen. All crowded long, showing red or strong selling positioning. We have the Swiss franc, South African rand, British pound, New Zealand, British pound, US dollar, British pound, South African rand, New Zealand, US dollar, and US dollar, Mexican peso. All crowded short, strong buying positioning. Weak buying positioning are the Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, and Aussie dollar, US dollar. Weak selling positioning, we have crowded long. However, commercials are above their 6-month average for weak selling positioning. That's Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, Euro, Aussie dollar, Euro, Canadian dollar, Euro, Swiss franc, Euro, British pound, Euro, Japanese yen, Euro, New Zealand dollar, Euro, US dollar, Euro, South African rand, British pound, Swiss franc, and Euro, US dollar, South African rand. The rest are mixed in terms of their crowding, and we have no Sunday, Monday trades for this week. So looking at the dollar, we currently have all the foreign currencies crowded short. However, no COD index in support of any type of strength or advantage. As you can see here, the price of the dollar recovered a little bit last week. The price of the 10 currencies or currency category basket of 10 foreign currencies went down. So no advantage as far as a COD index on the currency category. Dollar continues to have strength and is set up against these liquidity zone levels. Well, that's all I have for the Forex weekend review. If you're interested in these kind of strategies going forward, programming in both PineScript or Python, auto trading, or joining Crowded Market Report community to understand the commitment of traders tables, click on the links below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you on Sunday. Well, if you like this video, Hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.